fuck you want me to do?
Yeah, brother, make the girl know how you feel, brother. Say a girl with a fat ass, but I wanna fuck you.
Oh shit! Call the cops, somebody call the cops! They're firing shots!
Come back, I want one! Yo! What I run for? Yo, who shoot who?
Mr. Williams,
Yeah?
it's the second time for this week you're late.
I am so sorry. I know I'm late. I will try to be more earlier tomorrow. I'm so sorry, okay?
Don't let this thing continue happening, okay? Yeah.
Mr. Sean,
Boss,
second time you're late, man. For the week.
Boss, you hear me? It's better to be late than never, you know. I'm there.
You know what? Nobody clock in. Come back tomorrow and make sure you're there on time. You hear?
Alright, whatever.
Hey boy, move out that road now boy. What the blood? Hey boy, I don't want thing man just. Hey boy. This thing. You should run. This man a cover your blood clot now this. You should run. How do them boy? Yeah brother, so one girl in there. So I'm fatty then brother, call to that.
Hey shorty, what's up? You got a nice house. Let me holler at you for a minute.
Yo brother, I say you call to woman?
What the fuck you want me to do?
Yeah brother, make the girl know how you feel brother. Say a girl with a fat ass, but I wanna fuck you. So you talk to the girl out there brother.